how do you set up a retargeting campaign on Amazon? The way you would set this up, you can set this up in sponsored display ads. You would go and create a sponsored display ad, and you can remarket to people who already took one specific action, people who already purchased your product or clicked on the product, and so on. Now, that was only available for sponsored display ads. Right now, in 2026, we also see AMC experience, so the Amazon Marketing Cloud platform, is that it's going to allow you to do similar things for sponsored product ads. Whoever clicked at least once on the listing or purchased once, you can showcase them the listing and hope that they are going to be converting again in customer. So that would be the way you are going to go about it. Either you would create retargeting campaign when it comes down to the category itself and people who interacted exactly with your product on the sponsored display ad type. Either you would go for sponsored products, but if you want to use the AMC feature, this is something that you would have to set up. When it comes down to sponsored display, that's already within the campaign. You just have to pre-select it. For the sponsored product AMC, when you're going to use Amazon specific audiences, for that you have to manually set up the AMC campaign itself and then add that within the campaign that you created. So it's more work around it, but definitely you can try this out also with sponsored product ads.